SMS for hotels is the best way to ensure a fun, stress-free, enjoyable experience for all of your guests. But until now, you may have yet to learn how to implement this useful technique best. Here's why you should use SMS for hotels and how to use this technique to create a memorable experience for every guest. Why should you use SMS for hotels? There are a million good reasons to use SMS for hotels, but here are just a few. 1. Immediate and direct communication. SMS allows hotels to send messages directly to a guest's cell phone. Text messages are typically read within minutes of receipt, making them a great way to communicate time-sensitive information like welcome messages, booking confirmations, reminders for check-in or check-out times, and any last-minute changes or updates regarding a guest's stay. 2. Enhanced guest experience. By using SMS, hotels can enhance the overall guest experience. Guests can receive personalized messages that make them feel valued. 3. Operational efficiency. SMS can streamline hotel operations like room readiness, allowing guests to go straight to their rooms without waiting at the reception. It can also be used to coordinate with staff for housekeeping or maintenance issues, thus improving the efficiency of hotel operations. It can also facilitate contactless interactions, which have become more important for health and safety reasons. 4. Real-time customer service. SMS allows hotels to provide immediate customer service. Guests can ask questions and receive quick responses without having to make a phone call or visit the front desk. This convenience can significantly enhance the guest experience, as they can get assistance wherever they are, whether they're inside or outside the hotel. How do you use SMS for hotels? Here's how you can implement SMS in your hotel. 1. Reservations. Sending reservation confirmations and reminders and allowing guests to manage reservations via text streamlines the process. It's a fast and convenient way to communicate with guests about their stay. A few template ideas include: we have these templates available in the description below. 2. Check-in and out. Send check-in and check-out instructions via SMS to ensure a great process for guests. Use texts to share access codes, check-out instructions, and more. This helps streamline the check-in, out process and provide a smooth experience. Try out these templates. 3. Event notifications. Send hotel guests who are attending events reminders and updates about their schedules. Hotels can also send invites and updates about events they're hosting. Here are some helpful template ideas. 4. Room service and amenities. Allow guests to request amenities, like new towels or extra toiletries, via text. Take room service requests via SMS using two-way features and send information about hotel amenities, including the pool, spa, breakfast, etc. Try out these SMS templates. Check out the links in the description below for our list of the best SMS providers to get started with SMS marketing for hotels and more SMS templates.